Welcome! In front of me I have Polar Grid X2 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the Polar FlowSync application. Before we start, if you want to use the Polar FlowSync application to factory reset your watch, you will need a couple of things. First, you will need an access to a computer, working computer. Then you will need to have an access on the internet on that computer, and also you will need a charging cable that was provided with your watch, so you can use it to plug your watch to the computer, because we need to plug the watch to the computer to reset it. Once you have the computer, internet, and the charging cable, we can continue. And now we need to download and install the Polar FlowSync application on our computer. That's why we need to have the internet connection, because we need to download something. So go to your computer and open a web browser. I'm gonna open the Google Chrome, but you can use any browser you like. And in the browser, you need to type in the address that is flow.polar /start, I believe. No, my bad. It's flow.polar.com /start. This address, and press enter, and it should direct you to this page. Let me change the language to English, and here we have it. You should see this page now. Once you see it, we need to download the application, and we can download it on Windows or Apple, depending on which system you're using. Click the appropriate version. I'm using the Windows one, so I'm gonna click on Windows. It's gonna start downloading, and after it's done, you will have the pop-up that is done, and you can click on it to start installation. Now let's minimize the browser, click on yes, and here we have the installer. Select the I accept agreement, tap on, or rather click on next, my bad. Select the path where the application should be installed. I'm gonna use the default one, but you can click on browse and you can change it if you want to. Then click on next, next. I'm gonna create the desktop shortcut and click on next. And we wait until it's done installing. Okay, and now once the application is done installing, you can check the box to launch the Polar FlowSync, and then finish, and the app will open, and that's how it looks like. Here we have our Polar FlowSync. As you can see now, it tells us to connect our Polar product, and that's why we need the charging cable. I'm using this, I would say, adapter that goes from the USB-C to the USB-A, because I don't have the USB-C port in my computer. So I'm gonna use this adapter, but basically we need to plug this end of the cable, the USB end of the cable, into a computer, and this end of the cable with the 4 pins and the magnets to our watch. So I'm gonna plug this end to the extension cord I have plugged to my PC. Then I'm gonna use this end of the cable and plug it to our watch, and it's quite simple. It's magnetic, so it's gonna snap to our watch only one way. And once you plug it in, the watch should be detected by the app. For some reason the app closed, so let's reopen it. Okay, and after the app detects your watch, it might open the this web page for you. We're just gonna ignore it. We don't care about it. What we care about is that as you can see, the watch is detected. It's syncing with our application. Now we can click on the settings icon, click on the factory reset right here, click on yes, and wait. And it's gonna start resetting our watch to the factory default settings. Do not unplug your watch, by the way. Just keep it plugged in while it's resetting, basically. We don't want to unplug it, we need to wait. Once you see the factory reset done message, now we can unplug the watch, and it's gonna continue the resetting process right here. And once you see the list of languages on the screen of your watch, that means that the factory reset is complete. And that's how you factory reset this watch by using the Polar FlowSync application. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.